Have you ever heard of a bird that can kill you if you touch it? Enter the hooded Pitohui. This little dinosaur has toxin in its skin and feathers called batrachotoxin. The same toxin found in poison tree frogs, batrachotoxin is an extremely potent cardio and neurotoxin. Pitohui are only found in New Guinea, in hills and low mountain ranges. Although touching it will leave you burning in pain, those brave enough to eat it usually have it as their last meal. There is no antidote to this toxin.